Hello again, another unboxing video. Uh, this unboxing will be the third to last unboxing. I have two more for the channel on the way. The reason being, and I will say this in the other videos, I'm running out of space at home and I need to do some spring cleaning. So I'm going to be focusing on attachments and small models for a while. So yeah, this is going to be the third to last unboxing. So let's open this up. Alright, let's check what it is. That's some newspaper. And some bubble wrap. Get that out the way. That's from my dirty backpack, if you're wondering. So here it is. A John Deere 824K made by Ertl. Yep, another Deere model. Another Deere model in the books. I was planning on getting this, but then I seen it on Instagram. I was like, oh, let me get it. So yeah, this is the third from last unboxing. Yep, third to last unboxing on this channel. Because I'm running out of space at home. Well, third to last, big models. This is like a big one. I'm going to be focusing on the small models, like the attachments and skid steers and whatnot. For pickups, mainly because I'm running out of space. And I need to do some cleaning in my room at home. So, yeah, unboxing. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next unboxing.